Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 5th of September 2020 question number 12. Four different dice are thrown independently 27 times, then find the expectation of number of times if at least two of them shown either 3 or 5. At least two of them shown either 3 or 5. Okay, this is the question in the house of binomial probability, and it's a memory based question. From the chapter we know expectation formula is equal to n into p, where n is here independently times of thrown. Four different dice are thrown independently 27 times. The number of times n is equal to 27 here. So let's think four dice are thrown independently. So three cases arise here. Case 1 is that total case is here at 6, as the dice contains 6 number. So total cases is 6 here, and at least two of them are shown either 3 or 5. So the favorable case is here 2. So at first, case 1, 4C2 is our here, where which happens 3 or 5. So when at one term is one dice is thrown at least 1 3 and 1 5, then other two is not 3 or not 5. So multiplies, that is 2 by 6 is fixed, 2 terms is fixed here, so 2 by 6 it is happened 2 times, and not happened term is 4, so it is 4 by 6, which also happened 2 times. This is case 1. Case 2 is that when 3 at least 2 it is happened which find the expectation of the times at least when we take 4C3 at least 3 and 5 at least 2 times, and another one is 3 and another one is something. So it could happen 2 by 6 times, at least 2 times. And how many times it happened? It is 3 times, as because 3 5 and once again 3 5. So it is happened 3 by 4 times. So another happening terms is 4 by 6. It is also happened 1 times. And case 3 is that 3 and 5 always happen 3 and 5. So number of possibilities 3 and 5 is 4C4 here, and always happen 3 and 5 4 times. So it is to the power 4, and another cases is not happened. So this 3 cases arise there. So now total probability of this total probability of these cases is adding this, so we get probability is equal to probability of expectation is 4C2 2 by 6 whole square into 4 by 6 whole square plus 4c3 2 by 6 whole cube 4 by 6 plus 4c4 2 by 6 whole 4. So it is equal to factorial 4 divide factorial 2 into factorial 2. So here we get factorial c. It is only factorial 2. It is also factorial 4 divide factorial 2 into factorial 2, and it is 1 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9 here, into 2 by 3, that means 4 by 9 here. So it is factorial 4 by factorial 3 into 1, so it is only 4 into 1 by 3 means 3 is equal to 1 by 3 means 1 by 9 into it is 2 by 3 plus it is factorial 4, it is 1 here, and 2 by 3 that means 1 by 81. So here we get 4 by 2 into 3, and it is 4 by 81. So 2 and 4 is cancelled off by 2. So here we get 4 into 3 into, so 3 and 81 is 27 when cancelling, and it become 8 by 9 27 plus it is 1 by 81 here. So here 8 by 27 1 by 3 whole cube, sorry, it is 27 here, so it is 27, lot of calculations. So it becomes 81, it is 81 and it is 8 by 27 plus 8 by 81 plus 1 by 81, so HCF is 81 here, and it becomes 325 plus it become 24 plus 8 plus 1, so it is 33. So here we get 11 by 27. 11 by 27 is our probability, and we know expectation is equal to n into p. N here n is equal to 27. So the question asks the value of expectation. So expectation is equal to n into p. Here it is our p here. So n equal to, we know 27 has 27 times, and p is equal to 11 by 27. So 27 and 27 is cancelled off, so expectation is equal to 11 here. So we reached, it is our required answer. A lot of calculations here, otherwise the question is moderate type of question. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.